That's the end of the lab today. See you next week.
Oh, that's great. I'm home today, so can you go to my home today for the party?
Yay! It's going to be fun.
Sorry guys, they picked me up, so I have to go.
Oh, sorry, Grace. So bye.
Bye. See you. I forgot my phone. Wait for me.
Hey boy, I feel interesting very well. He lives far away, but he picked up his girlfriend and give gifts.
He isn't what you think. He attracts any girl he meets.
Hey, really?
Yes.
We will find a way to make them break up.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's a girl's.
Hey! Am I or are you his girlfriend? You say like it is the case, you know more about him like me, right? You're just jealous because I have a boyfriend, right?
Oh, come now. What did we say wrong? Because I see evidence that he kissed another girl on the street. Look,
Unbelievable, you see?
now look at I.
Girl, you should concentrate on your study. Don't be late for school. Don't be imposed in love and ignore your friends.
Girl, look at yourself. You didn't attend school and spend time with your lover, right? Even though your mother met me to fight you. So do not meddle with my love affair, please.
What happened to you? I'm waiting you for a long time, so how much I get for you? What?